My name is Peyton, and I'm inviting you to come be with me for a workshop called Attunement and Being Changed in Nonviolent Communication. And the reason I decided to do this particular workshop is because sometimes when I'm catching sight of the beauty of nonviolent communication, I I can kind of fall into it, and then just as suddenly it will disappear. And what I've started to learn is that when I really allow myself to be changed by another person, then I can stay in NVC consciousness in a really different way than I ever was able to before. So I thought, well, we could explore this together. We could look at what attunement is and how we let ourselves be changed. We could learn the neuroscience of how we change one another and kind of step into this exciting, spontaneous, generative, emergent space together. So if that sounds fun to you, then I would just be so delighted to get to do a little bit of exploration with you. This will be during Time for Empathy. Looking forward to seeing you.